We will guide you through how to make round circle Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that Camtasia is already installed on your device before starting this tutorial. Double-click Camtasia to open it on your device and begin the tutorial. Once Camtasia is open, click New Project to create your project. Next, click the Annotations menu on the left side of the Camtasia interface. Here, I will add some text as an example and type Guide Hub into the text box. Then, set the text style to bold and change the text color to blue. Still in the Annotations menu, click the Shapes option. Find the ellipse shape from the available options and select it. Drag and drop the ellipse shape onto the track below to add it to your project. As an example, move the text to the left first so there is enough space to work with the shape. You can resize the shape by adjusting its corner points. Carefully adjust the corners until the ellipse becomes a round circle. Another way to create a perfect circle is to access the Visual Properties panel. Focus on the width and height settings. Change the width to 500 and set the height to 500. Keeping these two values equal ensures that the shape remains perfectly round. You can also click the lock icon to maintain the proportions while resizing the shape. When the proportions are locked, changing the width will automatically adjust the height. The lock proportions are especially useful when you want the circle to remain perfectly round while making it larger or smaller. Next, resize the circle to fit the text you added earlier. Make sure the circle is sized appropriately around the text without covering any part of the word. Move the text inside the round circle and position it. Check the final result to make sure the text and circle are aligned properly.